The secret to finding a
Hey, Jennifer Hurvitz
long-term
here,
relationship.
expert. I'm going to get a little bit controversial again. I love to do this, and you hate me for it. I'm sorry. Stop juggling. Stop dating more than one person at a time. I know you think it's cool. You think it's okay to bench people and put them on hold and put them on the back burner. Oh, if you want a long-term relationship, you will never, ever, ever, ever be able to have a long-term, successful long-term relationship if you keep dating people at the same time, benching and waiting for the bar door to swing open and see the next best thing, the bigger, better deal. It ain't gonna happen. I know, you're mad at me. You think, oh my God, I can date 5 people at once. It's fine. I can do it. No, you can't. No, you can't. No, you can't. No, you can't. If you don't focus on one person at a time, you're always going to wonder what's coming next. You're always going to have one foot out the door. Stick with one person. See if it works. If it doesn't, then you move on. If it does, great. You date for a week. You date for 2. You date for 5. I don't care. I'm not saying you have to marry this person. I'm saying trust yourself. Trust that person. If you're looking for a long-term relationship, date one person at a time. That's it. Don't be mad. It's the truth. Follow for more.